This video is to show the evolution of the BMW M3. The first car in this segment is the BMW E30 M3. It was the first of this great saga of vehicles to be built. It was born as a modified two-door coupe with a hand-built performance engine. It was created in 1982 and it lasted until 1992. When it was released, it was not the most expensive car or the fastest car on the road, but its power matched its handling capabilities, which made it as fun as it was. It used a small 4-cylinder engine, but the entire car was perfectly balanced for performance driving. The second image shows its small engine bay. The third image is the BMW E36 M3 that was built in 1992 until 1999. It was the second incarnation of the M3 name. At first, many people were scared because it increased its engine size to a 6-cylinder, which carried more weight. However, many enthusiasts were pleased to find that the car remained as balanced as it was in the previous generation. This model increased the love for the type of sports car. The next image is a picture of the E46 M3, which was arguably the best M3 built of all time. It hit the market in 2000 and lasted until 2006. It kept the same 6-cylinder engine, which accelerated very well for the weight of the car. Also, as you can tell, the car is significantly smaller than the previous model, which allowed it to handle much more precisely. The next car is the white E92 M3, which was made in 2007 to 2013. This model scared many enthusiasts because it was the first M3 to switch to a larger 8-cylinder engine. Although it made more power than the previous models, it added too much weight to make the car evenly balanced. The next car is a special edition of the previously mentioned E92 M3. It is called the Lime Rock Edition M3. It is named after the famous racetrack called Lime Rock Park. This car only came in a bright orange color with a badge on the interior which stated Lime Rock Edition M3, 1 of 200. This means that only 200 cars were created in this color. It is a true example of a collector piece for BMW enthusiasts across the world. Unfortunately, that last model was the last M3 that was ever created in the two-door version, which was what drew many consumers in originally. Now it is the F80 M3, which only comes in a sedan. It went back to a smaller engine size, which made many enthusiasts slightly happier with the change. However, they long for the classic two-door, well-balanced sports car, which is where the next image shows. The final picture is the BMW M4, which was released last year. Although the color is not the most appeasing, it is a rare color similar to the orange on the previous model. This car will serve as the new age model for many two-door sports cars to come.